no. Pongi ah?
No, no, no.
No.
Yes, you know. Kasta. Flat pedal flat.
Spin, power. Ready spin. Small power. No spin.
Big power.
Big power.
Okay. Oh. Yeah. Dito tayo sa playground. Tuturuan natin si Mar paano mag-drop. Nagawa na niya yung baby drop. Sunod yung mas malaking drop. Gawin natin yung drop para kay Mar. Kasi yun, pasit lang hanggang libay tel pasang ko ano ka bahala libay amo nga unin kasi ta baka malumag anjay manubela kasi di mo makontrol.
Let's break it down in slow-mo. Stay on your attack position as you approach the edge. Stay centered on your bike as you approach the drop. Resist the tendency to lean back, as when you get scared, your tendency is to move away from harm. Keep your arms and knees slightly bent to absorb impact. Roll away and skate like a boss.
Okay lang, maintain mo lang yung speed, di ba na? Maintain mo lang yung speed, tas commit. Nag-commit ka to, ang pagpatpatang ka, nag-relax ka lang, no, daka dito yan. So, relax ka lang dito. Yan, mukhang is committed. Yan. Go! Woo! Nice!
Okay.
Ayos! Mayat! Galing. Okay. Mar on his second attempt. First attempt was successful. Okay. Nukat-nuka ready manan. Yeah.
He just needs to keep his elbows a little more bent as he lands.
Siguro di camera ta dyan. Naka-on na ito eh. Nice! Phew!
Hope you like this video. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button.